First things first, both devices need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you've done that, open the Play Store on your Android device and search for Wi-Fi FTP Server. Download and install the app. When you open the app, click on Start. You will then see the server URL, which we will need later. Now navigate to your PC and open this PC. Right, click and select Add a new network. Click Next and choose Custom Network Location. Type in the network address that was provided in the app and then click Next. Select Log on Anonymously and proceed. You can give any name you want to this network location. For now, I'll name it Asus Phone. Click Next and then Finish. The network location will now open, allowing you to seamlessly access your phone's data through your PC.